Welcome to morEwish Cuisine, my desi kitchen with the Western touch. Today I am sharing the recipe of Imli and Sonth Chutney, tamarind and dried ginger dip. This Khathi, meaty, tangy and sweet dip can be a great addition on your iftar table. Make a big batch and keep it in your fridge. It will last long. So for this dip, things we need will be 1 cup of tamarind pulp. What I did to take out this pulp is took like a half a cup of tamarind and pour the hot water on top of it, like around a cup. Leave it, and then when it's cooled down a little bit, just squeeze out and you will get a thick pulp. Then I have a half a cup of brown sugar. You can use white granulated sugar as well, or Jaggry. Then I have sonth, some dried ginger, red crushed pepper, roasted and crushed cumin seeds, black salt and regular table white salt. All the quantities are down in the description below, or you can go on my blog and check out the detailed written recipe for that. And then we will be using like around a half a cup of water. So these are all the ingredients. Now let's go and cook it. Now take a pulp, transfer it into a saucepan, add brown sugar and all the spices which I just told you. Add some water and then start mixing until it's combined, and start cooking on a low flame. After a few boils, you will see a shiny, glossy dip. It means it's done. Its consistency should not be very thick. You can see it right now. I'll keep it a little thin. When it's cooled down, it's get more thicker. So yeah, now this is done. You can transfer it into a clean, sterilized jar and let it cool down, and then keep it in the fridge for future use. So here is my Khathi, meaty, Imli and Sonth chutney is ready for my iftar. As I said, keep it in the fridge. Use it for your chana chaat. Serve it as a side or with your samosa. The possibilities are endless. Just keep it in the fridge and enjoy in your Ramadan, and of course after that too. If you try this recipe, don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know how did you like it. And if you want to learn something else, please let me know. I'll try to make it happen for you. I'll see you guys with yet another yummy recipe. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos and updates.